All right, there you are. You got your phone out. You got your Bluetooth speaker playing. You got the phone sitting out. Then all of a sudden, well, you didn't put the phone in the shade. So now the phone says, "Well, I'm too hot. I'm going to have to shut down
How come I
and
can't do
cool
that?
off."
How come I can't say I'm too hot? I'm going to shut down.
So one thing that we've done, or the kids have done, is you say, "Well, I've got to cool my phone down." So what do? I'm going to put the phone in the fridge, or even in this case, the freezer too, because it'll cool off rapidly, right? Well,
Yeah, probably not your best idea.
don't do that because you could ruin your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Apparently, repair shops say they've seen a surge of phones and tablets with moisture damage because people are trying to beat the heat. When the phone gets too hot, they put it in the fridge and think, well, I'll just cool it off quicker if it's in the fridge or freezer. Only problem is, what happens in the fridge or freezer? Condensation. It gets too cool
Because
too fast.
there's moisture
then you bring it
in
out,
there.
and
You're
now
better to hold it up in front of a fan.
Yes.
Because a fan will cool it down. I've done it. Just a fan. It's just air current at that point. There's no moisture.
Now, I've had this before. You got the phone out, you got your music going, and it turns off, and it's because the phone got too hot.
Mm-hmm.
You've got to put the phone in some sort of shade. Don't put it in the freezer or the fridge to cool off quickly.
No.
It's not going to work that way, because if it does cool off, or in the freezer freeze too fast, you pull it out in that hot air again, it's going to condense.
And it can crack your screen and get all that moisture up inside of it.
Exactly.
Oh,
Let
problems.
it cool
Problems.
naturally.
Yes, please.
It takes time.
Patience, grasshopper, patience.
So
go to a fan, stand in front of a fan. And if it's an oscillating fan, you can rock back and forth. You're probably burning calories while you do it. It's okay.
Put
you
your
got this.
phone in shade. Leave your phone in shade. Remember that. Don't leave it out in direct sunlight, because that's what happens. Get more info now. Yes FM Facebook, exit 967 Yes FM, and also at yesfm.com.